Hey everybody, it's Todd coming back at you, trying to show you guys how to eat healthy with your kids. So I got my son, Lucas.
Hi.
Hi. Here to help us out. What do we have here, Lucas? Tell them what we have.
We have salmon.
Yeah.
We have eggs with milk, 2 eggs with milk,
Uh-huh.
and we have Italian breadcrumbs.
And then what we're gonna do a quick fry.
We're gonna do a quick fry, and then we're gonna use this to take them out and put them on the plate.
A nice easy way to get your kids to eat salmon. Salmon, egg wash, little breadcrumbs, fry them up. They love them. It's gonna taste great. So show us, Lucas, what we got. We washed our hands already.
First,
Now we're gonna take little
we
pieces.
have this. Gonna
Put it in there. Yep.
Gonna flip it over.
All right, now put another one in here. Let's get a few done quick, okay?
Get that in there.
Okay.
That's you.
Okay, go ahead.
Next up, want to make sure it's all over the place.
Yep, put it right in.
Next.
Excellent, excellent. Look what we're doing here. Making magic, right, buddy? Does it taste good when we do these?
I mean, it feels slimy.
Yeah, but it tastes good, doesn't it? So isn't it good to eat healthy? And it makes your body feel good?
And
it's good
it
for your
keeps
mind.
you strong.
Keeps you strong. See that? We like to eat healthy, and it keeps you strong. So for all you guys out there, show this video to your kids. You'll see a little kid like this one, touching the salmon, cooking, have them help you, because have them help you. Once they start to work with food, then they try it, and they're going to love it. What do you think, Lucas? You love it?
Yep. Daddy, I think we're going to need some more of that.
Yep, we'll get a little more. And just fry it up like this. Take it out in like about 5 minutes.
Or 10 or 5.
Yep. And it'll be delicious. We'll come back to you and show you the final result.